Good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Pongshe family, Nair family, Mudra and myself, I take immense pleasure in welcoming you all on this auspicious occasion. I now request Srimati Prajakta Pongshe to please say a few words.
Today is an extraordinary joyous and eventful day for me as a mother. It is an honor and privilege to stand before you on this momentous occasion, my daughter's Arangetram. I bow down in gratitude to Lord Natraja, the supreme divine dancer, whose blessings have been with us throughout this entire journey. It is His grace that has guided my daughter and all of us through the ups and downs, the challenges and triumphs. I want to express my deepest thanks to everyone gathered here together to make your presence and makes this celebration all more meaningful. Thank you for sharing this special moment with us. As a mother, there are no words to fully capture the pride and joy I feel today. Watching my daughter transform from a young girl with a curiosity for dance into the confident being nothing short of magical. From the first time she danced as a little girl to know to now performing her Arangetram, my heart swells with gratitude and joy. I owe this moment to Sri Radha Madam, my daughter's beloved guru. It's her unwearying patience, wisdom, and nurturing spirit that my daughter has been shaped and reached her journey. Radha Madam has not only taught her in steps of Bharatnatyam, but also instilled in her love and respect for art form. I am eternally grateful for her dedication and care. I also thank all musicians and everyone here to make this occasion a very successful one. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request Srimati Divya Nair to please say a few words.
Namaste, respected gurus, family, and friends. It is with immense gratitude and pride that I am speaking to you today as we celebrate this significant moment of our lives. I am reminded of the incredible contributions of some people without whom we wouldn't have witnessed this day. Today is the culmination of years of their hard work, dedication, and countless sacrifices. It would be completely unfair on my part if I don't take a moment to thank them. Some specific instances during the last 7 years of Devika's dance journey right now flashes past my eyes. We thought of discontinuing this wonderful journey twice during the last few years due to the issues with transportation. Initially, when Devika joined the classes, I used to pick and drop her. In my absence, my sister used to take charge. Days passed by. My sister shifted outside Ahmedabad and my job profile changed, which made it very difficult for me to adjust to the class timings. This is the first instance where we decided to quit. At this point, my father stepped in to help, offering to handle the pickup and drop off. So, the journey continued. Again, years passed by. In the year 2021, my father had to battle some serious health issues. Hospitalization, doctor visits, surgeries, multiple ailments, and whatnot. For almost 6 to 8 months, he was bedridden. The journey still continued as the classes were online. One fine day, we received a message informing that offline classes would be commenced from the next week. My father's health condition caused an uncertainty about whether he will be able to lead a normal life as earlier. We then decided to cut short this journey. Here, my mother stepped in, offering to help with the transportation. While there was a disagreement with her decision as we didn't want to trouble them further, things went easy as the online classes got extended further. Thankfully, the journey again continued. We decided to hang on till the classes were online. Some weeks passed by. Offline classes were about to resume, and we had finally decided to put an end to this journey. Parents were in disagreement with this decision of ours. By now, father's health had improved to some extent. Devika already missed few of her classes. Within a month, my father got up and started accompanying Devika to her classes. It was a firm decision, willpower, and determination to help that this journey again continued. Freezing cold, scorching heat, or a rainy day, they always made it a priority that she attends her classes. As we all know, mothers are the backbone of a family. Sorry. My mother too was a silent supporter from the very beginning. Their commitment and sacrifice are the foundation upon which Devika's journey began and continued to flourish. The journey wouldn't have been same without their selflessness. My parents-in-law, your presence, whether near or far, has been a source of inspiration for Devika. Your prayers have helped her reach this incredible milestone. 1 or 2 years passed by, and we received a shocking news that Radha ma'am had met with an accident. The impact of the accident was so huge that she was advised bed rest for months together. But to everyone's surprise, within a month or two, she was back to the pavilion. I often find myself cribbing about small things in life. But whenever I meet Radha ma'am, I am reminded of the true meaning of resilience. She is an inspiration to all of us, showing us how to live life with grit and determination. Despite facing many health challenges, she continues to lead her life with a smile, and I stand amazed at her strength. With limited mobility and multiple struggles, she is not only imparting the art of dance, but is carrying forward the rich heritage of our country. I thank Bhaskar sir, Aparna ma'am, Anand sir, Smidha ma'am, Prem Kiran sir, and the entire Mudra team for being her support and encouraging her to pursue her passion. Even in this era of modernization, it is because of individuals like these that our country can still proudly boast of its rich culture and heritage. Their contribution help keep our tradition alive, and I am truly grateful for that. I would like to acknowledge Devika and Unnati for their patience and commitment in learning this beautiful art for 7 years, culminating in today's Arangetram. My heart overflows with pride as I see you perform today. I am also incredibly proud that you can contribute your bit to this ocean of culture through everything you have learned with Mudra. I thank Lord Krishna for giving this opportunity to experience and celebrate this day. Today is an ode to the Almighty and to the all significant people whose contribution was nothing short of an extraordinary in making this day possible. I also thank my husband and Tushar Bhai for organizing and putting things together for today's function so that everything runs smoothly. Lastly, I would thank each one of you for accepting our invitation and taking the time to be here today. Thank you for sharing this day and help us create wonderful memories with you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to introduce the Gurus. Devika will now pay her respect to Guru Sri Bhaskar Menon, who is a product of Kerala Kala Mandalam and has dedicated his life for the cause of dance. He is a performer, choreographer, and a teacher. He is presented with many awards and recognition. In appreciation of his valuable contribution in the field of dance, the government of Gujarat has awarded him with Gaurav Puraskar. Guru Sri Bhaskar Menon. Unnati will now pay her respect to Guru Srimati Radha Bhaskar, who is the founder director of Mudra School of Indian Classical Dances. She is awarded with Shringaramani title from Mumbai and has participated for various sammelans and is also recipient of Gaurav Puraskar by the government of Gujarat, Guru Srimati Radha Bhaskar. Devika will now pay her respect to Guru Srimati Aparna Kiran Menon. She's a dance guru, vocalist, performer, and a choreographer. She's a graded artist of Ahmedabad Doordarshan. We thank her for her excellent vocal support this evening. Guru Srimati Aparna Kiran Menon. Unnati will now pay her respect to Guru Shri Anand Menon, who's a dance guru, choreographer, and a percussionist. He's a graded artist of Ahmedabad Doordarshan and has done various dance workshops in many universities as well. Guru Shri Anand Menon. Devika will now pay her respect to Sri Prem Kiran Menon, who's a Carnatic violinist, an excellent music composer, and a teacher. Sri Prem Kiran Menon. Unnati will now pay her respect to Sri Rajendra Nair, who played melodious flute this evening. Sri Rajendra Nair. Devika will now pay her respect to Kumar Shri Hari Menon, who's the co-singer for the evening. Unnati will now pay her respect to Srimati Meghna Nayak for makeup and dressing. Devika will now thank Kumari Mehak Shah for backstage management. Unnati will now thank Kumari Moksha Nair for backstage management. I now request Guru Srimati Radha Bhaskar to say a few words of blessings.
Son Nair and family, Shri Tushar Pongshe and family, I take pleasure in presenting Devika and Unnati in their Arangetam. Devika initially came to Mudra with her grandfather and her aunt. She is very dedicated, sincere and passionate about dance. Unnati was a very regular student and she used to be the first one in the class and is also very punctual. She enjoys dancing a lot. Devika has finished her Visharad and Unnati has simultaneously practiced for Visharad and Arangetam together. Congratulations to her. I would like to thank their parents for encouraging their daughter and to make this wonderful program.
Unnati and Srimati Smita Menon for the excellent commentary.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request Guru Shri Bhaskar Menon to give Mudra certificate to Kumari Devika Nair. Now to Kumari Unnati Pongshe.
Cross. Thodi cross.
I now request Unnati to share her feelings.
Namaskar. I bow down to Lord Nataraja, the divine embodiment of dance and grace. It is with deep gratitude that I stand before you today. I stand before you today. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to each one of you for generously sharing your time and being a part of this occasion, my Arangetram. Your presence today adds to the beauty and joy of this moment. And I'm grateful for your support. A special thanks to my beloved Guru, Sri Radha Ma'am. She has been the guiding light of my journey, a source of constant knowledge, inspiration, and wisdom. Her dedication and patience have not only shaped my technique, but also my understanding and love for this art form. I'm equally grateful to the talented musicians and vocalists whose music has elevated this performance. To my parents and grandparents and my dear companion Devika, Devika, thank you for your great sacrifices and encouragement. You have been my pillars of strength, and your support has been your instrumental step of my journey. I began my journey in Bharatnatyam at the tender age of 5, and over past 7 years at Mudra School of Indian Classical Dances, I have experienced growth, learning, and transformation. Today, as I complete my Arangetram, I felt a deep sense of fulfillment and gratitude. Once again, thank you to everyone who had made this day possible. I dedicate this success to all of you and to the blessings of Lord Nataraja. Thank you.
Thank you, Unnati. I now request Devika to share her feelings.
Good evening, respected gurus, esteemed guests, family and friends. I stand before you today with immense joy and gratitude as I present my Arangetram, a moment that I have eagerly anticipated for years. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to my Guru Radha Ma'am, who have been my guiding light throughout this journey. The countless hours of practice, constructive correction, and the unwavering support have all played a crucial role in my life. It's only because of your guidance that I am able to stand here today, ready to present dance as an offering. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to my family, especially my grandparents, without whom this day wouldn't be possible. My parents have supported me unconditionally throughout this journey. This love, encouragement, and sacrifice have been the foundation on which I have built my dance. The journey leading to this day have been both challenging and rewarding. As I perform today, I offer my gratitude to the Divine for granting me the strength and ability to pursue this art form. I would like to extend my deepest thanks to my dancing partner Unnati. I would surely miss the countless hours we spent together in practice. We'll cherish those moments forever. Last but not the least, I would like to thank each one of you present here and being a part of this special occasion. Your presence and support mean the world to me. Thank you for being a wonderful audience. I hope you enjoy the performance.
Thank you, Devika. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. We shall begin with the next half of the performance in a short while. Thank you. अब हम अनुमति चाहेंगे द्वितीय तथा अंतिम भाग की प्रस्तुति के लिए। द्वितीय भाग की पहली प्रस्तुति है पदम। पदम में अभिनय की पराकाष्ठा होती है। पुराने समय में नर्तकी गायन तथा पदम का अभिनय एक साथ करती थी। पदम में हस्त मुद्राओं का प्रयोग उचित रास के साथ किया जाता था। आज की संध्या का पहला पदम है श्री रामचंद्र कृपालम। यह एक प्रसिद्ध तुलसीदास भजन है। कवि कहते हैं कि डर और दुखों का विनाश करने वाले प्रभु के कमल जैसे मुख, कमल नैन और कमल चरणों को मैं प्रणाम करता हूँ। कवि रामायण के अध्याय सीता स्वयंवर, खरदूषण संहार और रावण मर्दन के बारे में बताकर अपने प्रभु को प्रणाम करते हैं। राग हंस ध्वनि, ताल मिश्र चापू। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालम।
श्री राम जय जय राम। मंगल भवन मंगल हारी, सबहु सुद शरद अजर बिहारी। मंगल भवन मंगल हारी, सबहु सुद शरद अजर बिहारी। रघुकुल रीति सदा चलिया, प्राण जाए पर वचन जाए। रघुकुल रीति सदा चलिया, प्राण जाए पर वचन जाए। मंगल भवन मंगल हारी, सबहु सुद शरद अजर बिहारी। मंगल भवन मंगल हारी, सबहु सुद शरद अजर बिहारी। रघुकुल रीति सदा चलिया, प्राण जाए पर वचन जाए। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजो मनो, हरण भव भय दारुणो। नव कंच लोचन कंच मुख कंच पदक चारुणो। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजो मनो, हरण भव भय दारुणो। नव कंच लोचन कंच मुख कंच पदक चारुणो। श्री राम हङ्करिभूषण शिरमुकुटकुण्डल तिलकचारुभुजार अङ्करिभूषण आजानुभुज शर चापधर सङ्ग्राम चितकर दूषण आजानुभुज शर चापधर सङ्ग्राम चितकर दूषण आजानुभुज शर चापधर सङ्ग्राम चितकर दूषण श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजु हरण भव भयदारु नव कंचलोचन कंचमुख कर कंचन पदक चारुण भजु दीनबन्धु दिनेश दानव दैत्य वंशनिकर्णो भजु दीनबन्धु दिनेश दानव दैत्य वंशनिकर्णो भजु दीनबन्धु दैत्य वंशनिकर्णो भजु दीनबन्धु दिनेश दानव भजु दीनबन्धु दिनेश दानव दीनबन्धु दिनेश दानव दैत्य वंशनिकर्णो भजु दीनबन्धु हे लक्ष्मण दिनेश दानव दैत्य वंशनिकर्णो भजु दीनबन्धु दिनेश दानव दैत्य वंशनिकर्णो भजु दीनबन्धु दिनेश दानव भिक्षां देहि भिक्षां देहि भजु
रामायण के अध्यायों के नाटकीय रूपांतर के बाद अब प्रस्तुत है एक कीर्तनम, भो शंभो। यह कीर्तनम अभिनय का एक उदाहरण है जो कि भगवान शिव को समर्पित है। शिव का अर्थ है सत्यम, शिवम, सुंदरम। इस ब्रह्मांड के अनवरत प्रवाहित चेतना तथा ऊर्जा का समावेश है शिव का तांडव नृत्य। नर्तकी कहती है, हे ईश्वर, आपकी जय हो, आप महामंडित हो, जटाओं में गंगा मां को धारण किए हुए हो। हे दया के सागर, मुझे दुखों के इस भवसागर से तार दे। आप निराकार है, अनंत है और लिंग रूप में परमेश्वर है। मैं आपके सामने नतमस्तक हूँ। राग रेवती तालादि भो शंभो।
स्वरूपिण्यो वन्दे महादेवमेकं स्मरामि स्मरामि स्मरामि। ओ शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो। शंभो स्वयंभो। भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो। भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो। भो शंभो जटाट विकलेश्वर प्रवाह पावितस्थले वरेवलम्बिता भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिका टमट्टमट्टमट्टमट्टमट्टमट्टमय चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवः शिवम् Jam, taka, jam, takita, jam, jam, takita, jam, ta, di, kita tertuka, jam, taka, jam, takita, jam, jam, takita, jam, ta, di, kita tertuka, tarita, tanata, junuta, timita, dari, tanah, Mimi, takut dari kita takkan tarika, tanata, junuta, timita, dari, tanah, junuta, Mimi, takut dari kita takkan tarika, tanata, junuta, timita, takut dari kita takkan tarika, tanata, junuta, Mimi, takut dari kita takkan takut dari kita takkan takut dari kita takkan takut dari kita takkan Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Swayam Bho, Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Swayam Bho, Gangadhar Shankar Karunakara, Mamava Bhava Sagar Taraka, Gangadhar Shankar Karunakara, Mamava Bhava Sagar Taraka, Gangadhar Shankar Karunakara, Mamava Bhava Sagar Taraka, Bho Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Swayam Bho, Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Swayam Bho, Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa, Gama Gama Bhuta Prapancha Rahita, Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa, Gama Gama Bhuta Prapancha Rahita, Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa, Gama Gama Bhuta Prapancha Rahita, Nija Guna Nikita Nitanta Ananta, Nija Guna Nikita Nitanta Ananta, Mananda Atishaya Akshaya Linga, Ananda Atishaya Akshaya Linga, Nija Guna Nikita Nitanta Ananta, Mananda Atishaya Akshaya Linga, Bho Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Swayam Bho, Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Swayam Bho, Dhimita Dhimita Dhimi Dhimi Kita Tom Tom, Tom Tom Tari Kita Tom Tom, Dhimita Dhimita Dhimi Dhimi Kita Tom 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 Tom, Tari Kita Tom Tom, Dhimita Dhimita Dhimi Dhimi Kita Tom Tom, Dhimita Dhimita Dhimi Dhimi Kita Tom 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 Tom, Tari Kita Tom Tom, Dhimita Dhimita Dhimi Dhimi Kita Tom 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 Tom, Tari Kita Tom Tom, Matanga Muni Vara Vandita Isha, Sarva Digambara Veshita Vesha,
शंकर जय जय शंकर
ईशा सर्वेशा सर्वेशा मतंग मुनिवर वंदित ईशा
शंकर जय जय शंकर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर
सर्व दिगंबर वेशित वेशा
शंकर जय जय शंकर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर
नित्य निरंतर नित्य नटेशा
शंकर जय जय शंकर
ईशा सर्वेशा सर्वेशा ओ शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयं ओ शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयं शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयं हर हर महादेव
इस अद्भुत प्रस्तुति के बाद अब पेश है आज की संध्या की अंतिम कृति श्लोकम तथा तिल्लाना। श्लोकम अभिनय का विस्तार प्रदर्शन है। आज का श्लोक संत वल्लभाचार्य जी की कृति मधुराष्टकम से ली गई है। ऐसा कहा गया है कि मथुरापति कृष्ण बहुत मीठे और प्यारे हैं। कृष्ण का नाम, उनके होठ, उनका चेहरा, उनकी हंसी ही नहीं, कृष्ण की चाल, उनकी वाणी, कृष्ण का नृत्य और बांसुरी, उनके सखा, यमुना नदी, कमल के फूल और उनके इर्द गिर्द का सारा वातावरण ही बहुत मीठा है। कृष्ण की तो बात ही निराली है। उनकी हर बात में सुंदरता और मिठास झलकती है। राग राग मालिके तिलाना में नर्तकी भाव विभोर होकर खूबसूरती से पदताल तथा भाव के साथ नृत्य करती है। राग कापी तालादि देवी और सज्जनों, श्लोकम तथा तिल्लाना।
कृष्ण 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 अधरं मधुरं
वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरो अधरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरो नयनं मधुरं हसितो मधुरं हसितो मधुरो हसितो मधुरो हसितो मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं गमनो मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरो मधुराधिपते अखिलो मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलो मधुरो कृष्णा वेणु मधुर वेणु मधुर रेणु मधुरा रेणु मधुरा रेणु मधुरा रेणु मधुरा रेणु मधुरा पाणी मधुरा पाणी मधुरा पादो मधुरा पादो मधुरा पादो मधुरा नृत्यो मधुरं नृत्यं मधुरं नृत्यं मधुरो नृत्यो मधुरं नृत्यो मधुरो नृत्यं मधुरं नृत्यो मधुरं नृत्यो मधुरं नृत्यो मधुरं नृत्यो मधुरं नृत्यं मधुरं नृत्यो मधुरो नृत्यो मधुरो नृत्यं मधुरं नृत्यो मधुरो नृत्यो मधुरं नृत्यं मधुरं नृत्यं मधुरं नृत्यं मधुरो नृत्यो मधुरो नृत्यो मधुरं सख्यो मधुरो सख्यं मधुरो सख्यं मधुरो सख्यो मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं सख्यो मधुरं सख्यो मधुरो मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलो मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरो कृष्णा गीतं मधुरं गीतो मधुरं पीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं भुक्तं मधुरं भुक्तं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं भुक्तं मधुरं भुक्तं मधुरं भुक्तं मधुरं भुक्तं मधुरं
अमलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलो मधुरं कृष्णा मधुराधिपते अखिलो मधुरं कृष्णा
भगवते
कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 अजय गोविंद अजय गोविंद अजय गोविंद अजय गोविंद गोविंदा
Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna
दीम नाद दीम तनननरतानि उदन दीम तनन दीम नाद दीम तनननरतानि उदन दीम तनन दीम नाद दीम तनननरतानि उदन दीम तनन दीम नाद दीम तनन नदरतानि 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 नाद दीम तनन नदरतानि उदन दीम तनन दीम 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 नदरतानि करुणाकर श्रितजनमन्धारा श्रीसामराजेन्द्र कविजन समागभोगरूपमन सिजित श्रीकरसूरगम्भीर करुणाकर श्रितजनमन्धारा श्रीसामराजेन्द्र कविजन समागभोगरूपमन सिजित सात्विकजं सरितत्तगजं सरितत्तगणं सरितत्तगजं तित्तलां तदिकनतुं 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 दीं नरदें दीं तनननदरकानि उददीं दीं तननदीं नदरतानि उदनदीं दीं तननदीं भवमान सुगदु पाटु पादार विनुद मुलगुनी नाम रूप मुलगुनी जय मंगल राजीव नयन त्याग राजादि विनुद महिमा श्रीराम रूप मुलगुनी जय मंगलो
उदगमङ्गलं अग्निमङ्गलं वायुमङ्गलं
मंगलो
गगनमङ्गलं
मंगलो
सूर्यमङ्गलं
दिव्य मंगलम जय मंगलो
जगजमङ्गलं जीवमङ्गलं देहमङ्गलं मनोमङ्गलं आत्ममङ्गलं सर्वमङ्गलं 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 भवतु भवतु भवतु
कृष्णाय तुभ्यं नमः कृष्णाय तुभ्यं नमः कृष्णाय तुभ्यं नमः शांति शांति very nice Putra.
आप सभी दर्शक जनों का आभार तथा धन्यवाद कि आप सब ने अपना बहुमूल्य समय दिया और इन बच्चियों का उत्साहवर्धन किया। आशा करते हैं कि आप सभी को कार्यक्रम पसंद आया होगा। दर्शक जन जो कोई भी इन्हें अभिनंदन देना चाहे वे कृपया मंच पर आ जाए। आमंत्रित मेहमानों के लिए भोजन की व्यवस्था की गई है। धन्यवाद। शुभ रात्रि।